Hello guys, welcome to a trading Parrot. Bitcoin sold out 5% and it took with it all the altcoin market. We're going to look at the liquidity, potential levels that we can bounce, some potential good news in terms of a bullish divergence that I'm seeing, and what the crypto space is as well saying. We're going to cover as well the Bitcoin dominance, something really interesting that can have big implications for the next month. So let's get started. The CPR monthly is bouncing on this level that is the first support of the June month. And interestingly, it's bouncing at the same level with an RSI doing higher highs. So if you're familiar with this pattern, this is a bullish divergence on the 4-hour, but it's not confirmed until the price does some sort of bounce. If the price breaks below this, of course, it's going to do a lower low, and therefore it's going to invalidate this potential to be able to argue that we're having a bullish divergence. So bullish divergence not necessarily need to play out. So for that, let's have a look at what is the incentive for the market maker to keep pushing the price lower. And I think there is still liquidity to the downside. Let's focus first on the CPR levels. We still have some levels of support that we could reach during the month of June. We have this level here at 23.5. We have this level at 21.3, and we have a massive order block at 24 that is doing some confluence with the second level of support. We have here around the 20K, we have the CME gap, so keep that in mind. I'm not saying we're going straight there, but we are talking about what levels are attracting more the market maker to push, what arguments they have to push the price down. And in terms of volume traded, we see that there's a lot of volume traded around the 24. So in summary, we have a lot of support around the 24. We have the order block, the second level of support from CPR. We have a lot of volume traded, but on the 20, there's still some incentive to bring back the price as well there, but it's not as strong. So let's find more information. Hyperblock, the 3-month accumulation of liquidity. We can see that we came back right there to take this level, and I think it will be a waste to come all over to the same price level and not take any additional liquidity from the markets. There's still a lot to take to the downside, and coming all the way to here just to grab some liquidity that formed in just a week is not as attractive as just keep dumping to the downside. So I'm a bit biased towards the potential to keep going lower. Although if we look at some of my signals, you can see that breaking point is signaling again together with Teddy at the same price it signaled around here. Then we retested and we went all the way to almost 28K. So if this scenario played out again, we could go back again to the point of control, which is located at 26.5 this time. Last time it was located at 27.2. So we made a move all the way to there. So we could have bounced to 26.5, go back there, and then after that, maybe break below. Keep an eye on this order block at 25.4, because if it's broken, definitely we are going to 24 to 23. So that is the level that is currently holding us. Let's have a look at what crypto space is saying. We have the altcoin block path here and some good points here from Trade Travel Chill. She's saying that Bitcoin dominance has gone to 49%, at the same time that the USDT market cap has increased to 8%, and all the other alts are coming down. So this is good news in some ways, because that means that all this move to the downside from the alts went half into USDT and half into Bitcoin, which is pushing Bitcoin into a potential confirmed move into Bitcoin season. If you're unfamiliar with what that is, normally in a bull market, or at least in the very, very early stages of a bull market, the first steps towards that consist in Bitcoin becoming the more dominant across the whole market cap. We're talking about a long term. So guys, I hope you appreciate this summary I made for you today. Be very safe. There's a lot of negativity about the altcoins. Some of the bots are suffering a lot because Cardano sold out so much, Solana, and so many tokens that were doing really great. And since all the delisting and all the fear coming from America, they're selling like crazy right now, which can also give some opportunities. All right. I hope you're doing well. Enjoy the rest of the weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.